Transform your Confluence page and Jira projects with the power of visuals. Draw.io integrates seamlessly within both, letting you create diagrams directly where you're already working. Within Confluence, enhance your knowledge base with visual explanations. Draw.io makes information easier to grasp, understand, and retain. Teams can collaborate on diagrams, flowcharts, and more, sharing knowledge more effectively. In Jira, you can streamline technical communication with embedded diagrams. Bring clarity to troubleshooting flowcharts, network diagrams, and other complex concepts right within your issues. Whether you're working in Confluence or Jira, Draw.io empowers you to visualize ideas, boost collaboration, and simplify complex projects. Try Draw.io in Confluence and Jira today.